Let's talk about something incredible. Right now, you might be sitting on a gold mine and not even realize it. Most people think of their home as just a place to live, a roof over their heads, or maybe even a source of stress with all the bills and repairs. But what if I told you that your home is actually the most powerful wealth-building tool you'll ever own? You could be surrounded by untapped potential, and the best part is, you don't need to be a financial genius or a real estate mogul to take advantage of it. Your home isn't just a place to live, it's your most powerful tool for building wealth. Every single month, as you make your mortgage payment, you're not just covering a bill, you're investing in your future. Each payment chips away at your loan and buys you a bigger piece of a valuable asset, your equity. Over time, this equity grows, often faster than you might expect, especially as home values rise. While renters are busy paying off their landlord's mortgage and building someone else's wealth, you're steadily increasing your own net worth month after month. Equity is the magic ingredient that can turn your home into a millionaire-making machine. It's like a secret savings account that grows in the background, often without you even noticing. This isn't a fantasy or some get-rich-quick scheme, it's a proven strategy used by thousands of regular people. Teachers, nurses, small business owners, just like you. In this series we'll break down, step by step, how to turn your home into the foundation of a financial empire. You'll learn the exact moves to make, from your very first payment to the day you own your home free and clear. It all starts with one simple but powerful goal: paying off your house. Imagine the freedom of living in a home that's 100% yours, with no more monthly payments hanging over your head. From there you'll discover how to unlock your home's value to invest in new opportunities, grow your wealth even faster, and create income streams that can support you in retirement and beyond. Imagine a future where money worries are a thing of the past, all because you learned how to unlock the hidden power of your home. Picture yourself enjoying life, traveling, or simply relaxing, knowing your financial foundation is rock solid. This isn't just for the super rich or financial experts, it's for anyone willing to take the right steps. It's for you, your family, and your future. Forget what you thought you knew about retirement planning. The old rules are changing, and your home can be the key to a new kind of financial freedom. The path to millionaire status doesn't start on Wall Street, it starts right at your front door, with the choices you make about your home. By the end of this journey, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to turn homeownership into your ticket to lasting wealth. So, are you ready to unlock the secret millionaire-making machine you already own? Let's get started. The first step to becoming a millionaire homeowner: destroy your mortgage. It's not just about owning your home, it's about unlocking the door to your financial future. Your mortgage is likely your biggest monthly expense, and every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar you can't invest or use to build wealth elsewhere. Think of your mortgage as a monster eating your money every month. Your mission is to starve it. The longer you let it feed, the more it drains your resources and delays your dreams. But you have the power to fight back, and every small action counts. Paying off your mortgage frees up hundreds or even thousands each month for wealth building. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash: invest in stocks, start a business, or save for your children's future. The possibilities are endless when you're not weighed down by debt. Attack your mortgage, make one extra payment per year, even if it's just a little more than your regular amount. Every extra dollar goes straight to the principal, shrinking your balance faster than you think. Or split your payment in half and pay every 2 weeks. This simple trick means you'll make 26 half payments or 13 full payments each year, one more than the standard 12. Over time, this can make a huge difference. These small changes can shave years off your loan and save you tens of thousands in interest. You'll be amazed at how quickly your balance drops when you're consistent and intentional. Treat every bonus, tax refund, or side hustle dollar as ammunition against your mortgage. Instead of spending windfalls, use them to make lump sum payments. Each one is a direct hit that brings you closer to freedom. The faster you reach a zero balance, the sooner you can start building real wealth. Imagine the relief and pride of seeing "paid in full" stamped on your documents. Imagine owning your home free and clear. No more payments, just pure financial freedom. You'll sleep better knowing your home is truly yours, and your money is finally working for you. This is the moment you become an owner, not a debtor. You've crossed a major milestone on your journey to financial independence. You've plugged the biggest leak in your finances. No more money slipping away to interest payments. Now, every dollar you earn can be put to better use. Now, you can redirect that money to investments and wealth building. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, your options open up dramatically. Obliterate your mortgage. It's your first giant leap. It's the foundation for everything that comes next on your path to prosperity. The journey to millionaire status starts here. Take control, make a plan, and watch your wealth grow, one payment at a time. Once your mortgage is paid down, you unlock the magic of equity, the part of your home you truly own. Equity is your secret savings account, growing as you pay down your loan and as your home appreciates. It's dormant wealth, waiting for you to put it to work. The most common way to access it? A home equity line of credit, or HELOC. With a HELOC, you can borrow against your equity at low interest to make smart investments. Imagine using your home's value to buy an investment property that pays you every month. This is how the wealthy multiply their assets. They make their money work for them. Your equity is a superpower. Don't let it sit idle. Use it to create new opportunities and accelerate your journey to wealth. You're not just a homeowner, you're a financial operator. The next step? Learn to use your equity wisely. That's where the real magic begins. With your mortgage gone and equity unlocked, it's time to become an investor. The money you free up is now your employee. Put it to work in assets that grow or produce income. One of the simplest ways, invest in low-cost index funds. Index funds let you own a piece of hundreds of top companies, betting on the market's long-term growth. Consistently investing your freed-up cash builds a massive nest egg through compound interest. Even a few $100s a month can grow into hundreds of thousands over time. Your paid-off home is your fortress. From here you can send your money out to conquer new territory. You're now playing offense, not just defense. The combination of a paid-off home and a growing investment portfolio is the classic wealth-building formula. You're not just a homeowner, you're the CEO of your financial future. Let your money work for you. Ready to supercharge your wealth? Use your home's equity to buy more properties. This is called leverage, using the bank's money to control bigger assets. For example, use a HELOC to make a down payment on a rental property. Rent it out and let tenants cover the mortgage, taxes, and repairs. Plus, give you extra cash flow. You win 3 ways: monthly income, tenants paying down your debt, and property appreciation. Once you've built equity in your rental, repeat the process to buy more properties. This snowball effect can turn one home into a portfolio of income-generating assets. By retirement, you could own several free and clear properties, providing steady income for life. Real estate investing isn't just for moguls, it's for anyone willing to use their home as a launchpad. Your home can buy more homes and build your wealth exponentially. That's the power of leverage. In a world of instant gratification, patience is your greatest wealth-building superpower. Real wealth isn't built overnight, it's the result of thousands of small, smart decisions over years. Think of your journey like planting a tree. Slow growth at first, then steady, unstoppable progress. There will be setbacks, market dips, unexpected expenses, but these are just bumps in the road. The people who succeed are those who stick to the plan, no matter what. Automate your success. Set up automatic investments and extra mortgage payments. Take your emotions out of the equation and let the system work for you. Celebrate small wins along the way. They'll keep you motivated. Remember, the long-term trend for both stocks and real estate is up and to the right. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's the secret weapon of every millionaire. Play the long game and your wealth will grow. Stay disciplined, stay patient. That's how fortunes are built. The path to millionaire homeowner is simple but full of traps. The biggest? Lifestyle inflation. Spending more as you earn more. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle. Redirect extra cash to investments instead. Don't fall into the trap of high-interest debt. Credit cards and personal loans will destroy your progress. Pay off all bad debt before aggressively investing. Avoid emotional decisions with your investments. Don't panic, sell in a downturn, or chase the latest trend. Automate your investments and stick to your plan, no matter what the headlines say. The goal isn't to look rich, it's to actually be rich. Stay disciplined, avoid the landmines, and keep your eyes on the prize. The journey is straightforward if you avoid these common pitfalls. Protect your progress at all costs. That's how you reach the Millionaires Club. Let's see how this plan unfolds in real life with Sarah and Tom, an ordinary couple with big dreams and a willingness to work for them. 25 years ago, Sarah and Tom bought their first home together. It was a modest place, nothing fancy, but it was theirs. They paid $200,000, stretching their budget to make it happen, and felt the excitement and nerves that come with such a big step. For the first 10 years they made their regular mortgage payments just like most homeowners, but after a decade, they realized they wanted more financial freedom. So, they got serious about their goals. They created a strict budget, cut back on unnecessary expenses, and started making extra payments on their mortgage whenever they could. Through discipline and teamwork, they managed to pay off their entire mortgage in just 15 years. Suddenly, with no more mortgage payments, they had $1,200 a month freed up. Instead of upgrading their lifestyle or buying new cars, they made a conscious choice to invest that money into low-cost index funds, letting their money work for them. Whenever they got a raise or a bonus at work, they didn't spend it. Instead, they increased their monthly investments, always keeping their living expenses in check. This habit of saving and investing more with every pay increase made a huge difference over time. A few years later, with their home fully paid off and some savings built up, Sarah and Tom decided to use $100,000 of their home equity to buy a rental property. They worked with a real estate agent, did their research, and found a property that fit their budget and goals. The rent from their new property covered the mortgage and even provided extra cash flow each month. Instead of spending that extra money, they used it to pay down the rental property's mortgage faster, building equity even more quickly. Fast forward to today, Sarah and Tom's original home is now worth $600,000. Their investment portfolio, built steadily over the years, has grown to $400,000, and their rental property has $300,000 in equity, thanks to rising property values and their aggressive payments. Altogether, that's a net worth of $1.30 million. Before even thinking about retirement. Their wealth didn't come from luck or a windfall, but from consistent, smart decisions over time. There was no magic, no shortcuts, just a clear plan, steady discipline, and the patience to let their efforts compound year after year. Today, Sarah and Tom are living proof that ordinary people can become millionaires. They enjoy their retirement, travel, and spend time with family, all because they followed a simple, repeatable strategy. Their journey began with a single home and a decision to take action, even when it felt intimidating. You can do the same. The formula is simple, and it works, if you're willing to stick with it and believe in your future. We've covered the roadmap, now it's your turn. You don't need to be an expert or have it all figured out. Just start. Take one small step today. Maybe it's making an extra mortgage payment, opening a savings account, or talking about goals with your partner. The size of the step doesn't matter, the direction does. Don't let fear or analysis paralysis stop you. Learn as you go, but act now. Experience is the best teacher. Your home is your foundation. Use it to launch your wealth journey. The dream of retiring a millionaire is within reach for anyone willing to follow the plan. You already have the most powerful tool, your home. The only thing missing is your decision to start. Take one action before you go to bed tonight. Your future self will thank you. The journey starts at your front door. Go take that first step.